Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I am going to be unboxing a package. I know I do a lot of unboxings on this channel, but I really do love unboxing things. It's just super exciting for me. I really wanted to try on all this makeup, but honestly speaking, it's just so late and I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I will just do a separate video. Maybe next week I'll upload it, of me putting on the makeup and testing it out and doing a first impressions, because I have not touched any of this makeup yet. So here it is. It's in here and it is a SheGlam haul. I'm not gonna lie to you, last time we did SheGlam, it was so good. I love the products and I still use them in my everyday makeup routine, so I really did like them, so I wanted to try some more makeup out. They just came out with a She Wild collection, so I bought the entire collection, of course, and yeah, I just wanted to unbox it here with some other things, and I wanted to unbox it here with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing. I don't remember the prices, of course, but everything I show off will be down below in the description, so we don't have to worry about that. You guys can always just check that out. So overall I ended up spending $60 for this haul, which is actually really good for the amount of things that I got. So I'm super excited to show you guys, so let's just get right into it. Show you like the non-makeup stuff first, and then I'll show you the makeup, because I want to show the entire collection together. So first I got these little nail brushes here. As you can see, they're like super fine, really precise brushes, which I thought would be really good for Halloween, since Halloween is coming up. I got some face paints and stuff, and I decided, I was like, let me just get some nail brushes because they're so fine. Like, let me get some nail, like, look, that would be perfect to do like detail work and stuff while I'm doing like my makeup and stuff. This is 15. There's 15 brushes in here and it's so nice. I'm super excited to try these out. I got this pack of brushes right here, which I believe are 32 pieces, and it's super cute. They're a lot smaller than I expected them to be. Like, look at how small these are. I expect them to be a lot longer, but they're still pretty cute and they'll do good for makeup, so I'm really excited to try them out. So next I got these cute little nail design things. So they have like see, they have like stars, and there's cute little different color stars, and there's different color little circles here, like glitters. There's flowers and stuff like that. So I'm not going to use these for nail art, obviously. I'm going to be using this for my makeup. I want to incorporate and get a little bit more creative with my makeup, so I thought this would be so cute to have. Like I said, just to stick them around whenever it comes to a look that I want it to be on. So I thought this was really exciting to have, and I believe this was only $1. So, and I got some more of these like little nail art things, but these are like little fruit slices. There's strawberries and kiwis and oranges and watermelon in here, and they're so cute, and I really wanted these. Again, these are, I'm not going to use these for nail art. I'm going to be using these for like makeup, to stick them on my skin whenever I want to use them. And I thought these would be so cute, and because they're fruit and they're adorable, so I'm super excited to try this out especially as well. The last thing in the non-makeup is this Menage. I actually bought brushes from them, from this brand before, in my other Shein haul, and this is the Manage. It is a color switch, which as you can see I've already been using, because I had a color switch and my kids thought it was funny, so they just like broke it because they thought it was cute, and I don't know, whatever, but I needed a new one, so I got a new one. And I believe this is only like $1.50 maybe. I like this little tin it came in. It's super cute, and it's a real thick boy. You can see here it's a real thick boy here. Now everything that's left is from the collection, which I'm super duper excited about. I got the entire collection. Like, I got everything that was available from the Stay Wild SheGlam collection. So yeah, so here we have, this is the SheGlam all-in-one volume and curl mascara right here. This is the Stay Wild packaging. It's super duper cute, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Super cute. I guess one side is for volume and one side is for curl. So we have this one here. And this is what the wand looks like. It's curved, so I'm guessing this is the curl side. And then we have this side, which is just a regular mascara wand, which I'm guessing is the volumizing side. Hello, Cosmo. And this is my cat, Cosmo. Yeah, he doesn't care about anybody. Next, we're gonna do the lipsticks. So this is the She Glam Stay Wild Nude Liquid Lipstick right here. And this one is in neutral. This bottle, it says neutral. So we're just gonna keep, this is neutral. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I like this packaging, like the little, all these, this little like art style here is so cute. It's a regular doe foot applicator. We're gonna go ahead and just swatch this right here. Very pretty color. It is a nude, like coffee color. It's very nice. She Glam Stay Wild Nude Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in vintage, and it says metallic light pink rose, metallic one, and here it is. It's very, very pretty. Ooh, very pretty. It is a very gorgeous color. I think that would look so good on the lips. Oh, so cute. We have another lipstick, and this one is Naked, a matte peach beige color. Here is the color. So I'm not really into light shades. I don't think they look good on me, but I don't mind wearing them. I think if I like wear the right eyeshadow maybe or something, it'll look okay. That one's very pretty. Like I said, I have a lipstick that shade, but I don't really wear it that much because again, I just feel like me personally, I can't, like, light shades are not that well on me, but I think it's cute. It's very pretty. It's a pretty color. Last lipstick, this is in Killer. It's a metallic chili pepper red, and this is what it looks like in the tube, which is so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. This is cute. Look at how beautiful. I love that shade. I think it looks so pretty. It's so pretty. I think these are super cute. Again, I haven't tried them on my lips, so I don't really know how they swatch on my lips, but maybe in the next video where I try all of this stuff, I will swatch them on my lip. I'll swatch all four and then. So these are just the She Glam Stay Wild lashes. They don't really have a name. So this is what they look like. They look a little too thick for me, I believe. Like to me personally, they look like in the packaging, they look super thick. Like they're gonna be boom, bro. Like they're just gonna be out there. I'm still gonna try them out, obviously, but they look a little thick. I'm not gonna lie to you, a little too much. But I'm gonna try them and we're gonna see how they go. This is the packaging. It's Stay Wild She Glam, and it says She Glam Stay Wild Jelly Glitter. This one is in Icy, and it is an opulent ice shade glitters with stars and moons. Now that I know that these little sentences or whatever on the bottom are little descriptions, I actually really appreciate it. I think it's really cute because I'm really bad at describing things. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's super cute, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's white. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It has a little protective foil over it. It has little stars and moons. I know you guys can't see it because it's so, but yeah, it's just that. It's a chunky jelly glitter, and it has stars and moons in it, and it is white, which is super cute. Next one is, it is Queen with, it is pure golden shimmers. And packaging, it is just gold shimmers. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Out. This one is in Peacock. It is a peacock shade blended with paisley green. Beautiful. Like there's there's blue and green and emerald in there, and it is so pretty. Oh my god. Like depending on where you how you shift it, you can see the blue and the green, and it's just so beautiful. I really like this one. I think this one's definitely my favorite. Next we have Rebellion. It is an opulent tea green shade blended by mint, golden, and rose shimmers. A beautiful, beautiful shade. I'm so excited to try these out in looks. And now the pièce de résistance is the Stay Wild She Glam eyeshadow palette. This is what I'm most excited about because you guys know I love eyeshadow palettes. I actually have to buy new storage for my eyeshadow palettes, which I just finished buying storage for. But that's no here, no there. One other She Glam palette, which is the Artistry palette, and it is so beautiful and it's so pigmented and it's really nice. For the price, it's really nice. So I'm really excited to have this one, which is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. This is the palette. It is beautiful. It says, inspired by tattoo artistry, the Stay Wild palette features an assortment of natural earth tones, wild foliage shades, stunning shimmer pigments, and cheek pastels. Your go-to all-in-one color palette for all your looks, everyday looks, party queen, and modern retro looks. Which I definitely see it. I would definitely be using this one as a blush. This could be a contour, this really is a full face palette because you have your eyeshadows up here and then you have your two highlighters. You have two blushes right here because both of these can be used as eyeshadows or blushes, and then these can be used as eyeshadows or highlighters, and this one could be used as an eyeshadow or a contour, like a bronzer. So this is really an all-in-one palette, which I think is beautiful, and I absolutely love those type of palettes. So this is super duper cute. This gold shade right here in If You, that is beautiful. This blue shade, Joyride and Reborn, I'm very excited to try this eyeshadow palette out. It looks so beautiful. I think Shein did so well, and I'm really excited. Like, I'm super excited. I personally, like I said, I have She Glam. Like I said, I have She Glam makeup and I use it in my everyday routines. Like, the 3D face palette is beautiful. The blush is great. I absolutely love it. The Artistry palette is phenomenal. I love that palette. It is just so neutral and there's everything in there. The mascara is really nice. So I'm really excited to try all this new stuff. I'm excited to bring that new... I'm excited for you guys to watch the next video so that I can show you guys how this all plays and how it looks and how beautiful it is, and I can give you my real first impressions on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching me unbox this package. I'm so excited and I really love all the things that I got, so I'm really excited to bring the first impressions to you guys, so don't forget to wait for that when it comes out. But everything I showed off in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, as well as some of my social media and places you can reach me at. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia. I am a mess and I'm so happy to be your friend, because you know, we're all friends in here. Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.